Alright, hey everyone. This is not the normal angle. This is not going to be as good of a video for clarity. It's really dreary out here, and I'm a little bit back, zoomed in. There's still under blizzard warnings here, so the snow has stopped, but the wind's still gusting at about 80. So every now and then, right in front of that building over there, it gets huge snow flying all over the place. But we've got the 301 coming up here to the left. It should be coming up any second. Well, not any second, maybe 20. Looks like I can see in my mirror 2 locomotives maybe. Hopefully it will be clear enough. It is track 1, so should be the close one right here. We don't get too much snow blowing in front of it, blocking it. $22.56. $26.85. Had a pretty, not a lot of snow today, but just the wind has been nuts, so we'll start calming down tonight. All day today we're told 90, 100 kilometer an hour winds. We have been starting to come in little patches now. It's not as bad most of the time now. See a few gusts blowing it in front of the station there, like right there. It's all snow blowing right there now. Ooh, rocking my van. See it blowing beside the train there, opposite direction of the way the train's going. Once again, this is the 301. One of the regular evening trains. Right here, that's the Via station. We haven't had any earlier. We're having gusts, big snow flying in front of the station and blowing around the corners, swirling all over. It would be coming right at me here in the van. It was coming around the corner, swirling all over, and then blowing right at me here. So, well, I was back a little bit then. I couldn't park here with the windows open earlier. Now we just get the sporadic gusts. Rocking my van right there for a second. A little bit blowing in front there. Nothing big though. The train is kind of blocking a little of it. 301. So figuring we'll have some of those Canada cars on there. Usually is. As long as it can stay in focus. Difficult in this position. Whoa, there's some gusts and some little bit of swirling. That ain't from the train, that's from the wind, because that's going the opposite way of the train. Nowhere near as bad as earlier though. It's good. I can see all the way down to the track where it goes down to the tunnel now, is where earlier I couldn't see past the station. And I couldn't see down this way to see a train coming, just see a headlight coming through it, and that was in the daytime. No Canada cars yet. Usually on the 301. Maybe not. Maybe they're not going to be any today. It's really dark on this side over here, like that, aiming over there. Now we've got snow blowing again. Another gust coming through. You can tell the difference because the gusts are coming the opposite way of the train. Long train. No Canada cars. Alrighty, subscribe.